What if the concrete jungles of today evolved into the celestial metropolises of tomorrow? What if the future of urban living didn't just expand across continents, but galaxies? Imagine a day in a city not bound by the restrictions of earthly geography, a city nestled in the cosmos. As dawn breaks, the city slowly stirs to life, not with the cacophony of car horns, but the harmonious hum of high-tech, eco-friendly transportation. Hyperloops and zero-emission shuttles zoom through the city, leaving trails of light against the star-studded backdrop. People commute not just between districts, but between planets, moons, and asteroids. The cityscape is a mesmerizing blend of nature and technology. Skyscrapers made of self-cleaning, photosynthetic materials reach out to the stars, their rooftops blooming with lush gardens. Solar panels and wind turbines are seamlessly integrated into the architecture, drawing energy from the cosmos itself. As the day progresses, citizens engage in leisure activities that are not just fun, but also eco-friendly. Virtual reality arcades offer immersive experiences, transporting players to different worlds and times with the flick of a switch. Zero-gravity sports arenas host exciting matches that defy the laws of physics. The city's food scene is a testament to sustainable innovation. Vertical farms and aquaponic systems provide fresh produce, while lab-grown meats and plant-based alternatives dominate menus. As night falls, the city doesn't sleep. Instead, it transforms into a vibrant spectacle. Bioluminescent trees light up the walkways, while holographic performances fill the theaters and concert halls. The city, in its entirety, is a testament to human innovation and sustainability. To summarize, these future cities in space aren't just awe-inspiring realms of science fiction. They represent a vision of urban living that integrates technology and ecology, creating environments that are not just sustainable, but also conducive to human happiness and well-being. The future of cities could very well be in space, where the boundaries of innovation are as limitless as the cosmos itself. From eco-friendly transportation and energy sources to sustainable food production and entertainment, these cities could set new standards for urban living. This is a glimpse into a future where humans don't just survive, but thrive in harmony with the universe. A future where cities in space are not just a distant dream, but a tangible reality. A future that may be closer than you think. So, as we stand on the precipice of this new era, one question remains: are we ready to take the leap?